Welcome friends, and a warm welcome to Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we are taking a detailed and honest look at the Sony Xperia 2 2026, a smartphone that represents Sony's unique vision of premium design, professional camera quality, and clean Android performance. Starting with the design, the Sony Xperia 2 feels sleek, modern, and minimalistic. Sony continues its signature tall and slim design language, which not only looks elegant but also feels comfortable in the hand. The build quality feels solid and premium, making it clear that this device is designed for flagship users. The display on the Sony Xperia 2 is one of its strongest features. The OLED panel delivers deep blacks, rich colors, and excellent sharpness. Watching videos, streaming content, or browsing feels smooth and immersive. Sony's expertise in display technology ensures accurate color reproduction, which is especially appreciated by photographers and content creators. When it comes to performance, the Sony Xperia 2 offers a smooth and reliable experience. Everyday tasks like multitasking, browsing, and media consumption are handled effortlessly. The clean Android interface plays a major role in maintaining consistent speed and responsiveness throughout daily usage. Now let's talk about the camera, which is the heart of the Sony Xperia 2. Sony has focused heavily on image quality, offering natural colors, sharp details, and excellent dynamic range. Photos look realistic and professional, while video recording stands out with stable footage and cinematic quality. This makes the Xperia 2 an ideal smartphone for vloggers, YouTubers, and photography lovers. Battery life on the Sony Xperia 2 is optimized for full-day usage. With normal activities like calls, messaging, video streaming, and light gaming, the phone comfortably lasts throughout the day. Sony's intelligent power management helps balance performance and battery efficiency. Software experience is clean, smooth, and user-friendly. There is no unnecessary clutter, allowing users to enjoy a fast and distraction-free Android experience. Overall, the Sony Xperia 2 2026 is a premium flagship smartphone that excels in design, display quality, camera performance, and clean software. If you are looking for a stylish Android phone with professional-grade camera features, the Xperia 2 is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more premium smartphone content on Tech Unbox Pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.